Hello friends, welcome to Fin Ideas. What is the difference between spot price, future price and strike price or exercise price? The spot price is the price of underlying stock. Suppose we want to take an example of Reliance share, then the Reliance equity price is called the spot price. Now the second price is future price. The future price is the forward contract price of an underlying stock. For example, I am bullish in Reliance. I want to buy Reliance, but I don't want to pay full money to buy the equity shares. I can buy Reliance future at that time. This future contract will get settled in some forward date, and at the time of settlement I have to pay full amount to the future seller and I will get the delivery of Reliance equities. So the forward contract is called future price. The third price is strike price or exercise price. Strike price is the price where call option buyer gets the right to purchase and the put option buyer gets the right to sell. So if we want to take an example of the same, I am just showing you the live market screen. Here the first option is Reliance equity shares. The price of Reliance equity is 852 as of now. So this is called the spot price of Reliance. The second price is Reliance future of November month. So this contract will get settled on 28th November 2013. The price of Reliance future is running as of now is around 854. So the spot is running at 852 and the future price is running at around 854. And now the third price are of options. Here the option is 860 call option. So that means if I buy this option, I will get right to purchase Reliance on 28th November 2013 at rupees 860. So I am getting the right to purchase at rupees 860. So here the strike price or the exercise price is called 860. Similarly, the second option, this put option, is also having the strike price of 860. But as this is the put option, so if I buy this option, I will get the right to sell Reliance at rupees 860. So the conclusion is the equity price is called the spot price, the forward contract price is called future price, and the price where we get right to purchase or right to sell, the rate is called strike price or an exercise price. Friends, we discussed lot of topics on options continuously. So if you want to see our other YouTubes and if you want to get the notification of new YouTubes, kindly subscribe us on our YouTube channel. You can also like us on our Facebook account, as well as you can add as a friend in our Google circle. You can also view our blogs as well as our tweets. For more information, you can visit our website www.finideas.com. Please send us your comments. How did you like this YouTube? Thank you.